An exponential function is a function of the form y is equal to a to the power x, where a is a positive number. An example would be y equals 2 to the power x. So let's complete the table. If x is equal to minus 3, then y is 2 to the minus 3, which is 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1/8. As a decimal, this is 0.125. If x is minus 2, 2 to the minus 2 is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4, or as a decimal, 0.25. For minus 1, we have 2 to the minus 1, which is 1/2. This is 0.5. If x is 0, 2 to the 0 is 1, and indeed anything to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is of course just 2. 2 squared is 4. And 2 cubed is 8. We can now plot the graph from this table: minus 3, 0.125, minus 2, 0.25, minus 1, 0.5, 0, 1, and any exponential curve will go through this point because a to the power 0 is 1. We then have 2. When x is 2, we have 4. And when x is 3, we have 8. We need to join this up with a smooth curve, and this is the typical exponential curve shape. The curve will continue to climb steeply at this end for positive x, and at the other end the curve will get closer and closer to the x-axis, but never get there. This is called an asymptote. The negative x-axis is a line that the curve gets closer and closer to, but never gets to. Such a line is called an asymptote. All exponential curves will go through the point 0, 1, and the reason, as mentioned before, is that a to the 0 equals 1, an index law we should know, for any positive number a.